Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to confirm your Expedia hotel reservation. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even the Expedia deals for 2025. Without further ado, let's begin. Expedia is a popular travel website where you can book flights, hotels, vacation packages, and more, all in one place. If you've booked a hotel, confirming your reservation is easy and helps you make sure all the details are correct before your stay. Here's how you can confirm a hotel reservation on Expedia. First, go to the Expedia website on your computer. Here, type the country or city where you want to stay in the search bar. Then, select the check-in and check-out dates for your trip. Now choose the number of travelers, such as adults and children. Next, click on the search button to see available hotels. You will find many options with different prices and features. Scroll through the list to compare and check what fits your budget. Now click on any hotel to open its details page. Here, you can see check-in and check-out time options along with what the hotel offers, such as buffet breakfast, international cuisine restaurant, self-parking, free Wi-Fi, free cribs or infant beds, and a bar or lounge. After that, choose your travel dates again by selecting the start and end dates and confirm the number of travelers. Then, check that the prices are correct and typical for your stay. Scroll down further and review the available rooms, such as a twin guest room, twin room, executive room, 2 beds, or non-smoking options, with or without a view. Once you've selected the room, you'll see a confirmation summary page with all the booking details, including guest names, dates, and hotel amenities. This page confirms your Expedia hotel reservation. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and the latest Expedia deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.